Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano holders can expect these outcomes if buyers remain elusive. The 2021 hype behind Cardano saw the price register enormous gains. Yet, the majority of the newly arrived investors of the past year appear to be at a loss. The inability to hold on to the psychologically important level at $1 in the past couple of months meant that the asset could slide southward once again. The coin has a 0.76 correlation with Bitcoin. At the same time, it doesn't respond as strongly to a bullish Bitcoin as to a bearish one. These factors could see selling pressure mount once again for Cardano. ADA1D, on the charts, the relentless downtrend of the price in the past few months was clearly visible. In December, the $1.2 support was hailed as a must-hold level for the bulls. In late January and early February, the $1 level was held in the same regard. Both of these levels have been broken. At press time, the price appeared to be on its way to a daily close below the $0.817 level. In order to flip the longer-term bias from bearish to bullish, ADA must flip the $1 to support. The price has seen some short-term demand at 75 cents, but this was unlikely to keep ADA afloat on the charts. Rationale: the RSI formed a bullish divergence, white, as the RSI made higher lows, while the price made lower lows. However, the predominant trend in recent weeks has been bearish, hence this divergence will likely not change the trend. Besides, the price was already beginning to descend. The awesome oscillator stayed well below the zero line. Hence, momentum was firmly on the side of the bears. The OBV has also been moving southward, an indication that selling volume has been higher than the buying volume on the daily timeframe. The CVD indicator was also in bear territory. Conclusion: overall, the indicators highlighted that momentum and selling volume both pointed to the downside. The market structure was also bearish, and a $1 resistance zone would have to be beaten. As things stand, this was an unlikely outcome. To the south, 75 cents and 69 cents could see a minor bounce. And second news today, Cardano, up by 8%. The full story behind ADA's latest hike is Cardano in a rally, but not for long. While the exchange and derivatives front is doing well sitting in a bullish state, the on-chain performance is still pretty bearish. And it could be this way for a while since Cardano fell by a massive 71.15% over the last 6 months. Besides, this isn't the first rally recorded by Cardano that could be invalidated. Just last week, ADA spiked by 12.49% before the rise was invalidated in the next 5 days. With its recovery efforts getting delayed, already frustrated investors are now going to possibly lose all confidence in the altcoin. Currently, less than 10% of investors are in profit, with about 88% of them being at a loss. Another reason behind their losses is that most of them, despite being a year-old only, joined in due to Cardano's hype of 2021. Fueled by the prospect of smart contracts, ADA managed to gain many investors. Thus, their losses at the moment make sense since ADA is already below its February 2021 levels. In fact, the only active entities in the last month have been the whales. Throughout the month of February, these cohorts have conducted transactions worth $12 billion on average. Furthermore, the same peaked to $42.2 billion. The full story is this: until January, at least Cardano's market value was positive. Since then, however, it has slipped below the neutral zone of 1 and is currently at 0.8. This cannot be revived by an 8% hike on the charts. Finally, the network value too has dropped significantly across the board. Additionally, there is a small matter of the RSI and squeeze momentum indicators' explicit bearishness. Looking at the same, it's fair to argue that the latest hike might meet the same fate as its last few upticks. This may be evidenced by the fact that ADA surpassed ETH and BTC in terms of transaction activity, adjusted transaction volume, less than a few weeks ago. Finally, the number of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, minted on top of the flagship network crossed the 800,000 mark too as activity on the cryptocurrencies network surged. Despite such an impressive profile, however, ADA's price action has been underwhelming. The number 8 largest token suffered a fresh correction of 2.5% at press time, falling below the $0.8 mark. Now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.